Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurdana Hazwani. Today I will do an introduction part for our group project. So we get the smart home or cities. We choose to do the house inventory by using MIT Apps Inventor. So our supervisor is Dr. Siti Hajar Amina binti Abi. My group members for this project is me, myself, Nurdana Hazwani binti Abani as a manager. The assistant manager is Chin Chivi, and then the chief engineer for this project is Siti Aisyah binti Yusof. The engineer is Nur Syafiqah binti Shahabuddin, and the assistant engineer is Nani Izzati binti Kahan. A home inventory system is a tool or process designed to help individuals or homeowners keep track of their personal belongings and assets within their residence. The primary goal of a home inventory system is to provide a detailed and organized record of all the items owned, including their description, value, and the relevant information.
The objective of this project: first, to develop an application consists of book or document and groceries inventory. Second, to evaluate the performance of the developed applications. To solve the house inventory issue, there are three possible approaches as shown here. The possible approach to solve the issue of home inventory based on the comparison between the three possible approaches. Developing a new app is chosen to fulfill the objective of this project. The scope of works: the application will be developing using Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT Apps Inventor. MIT Apps Inventor is a free tool that simplifies the process of cataloging and organize food item, document and record in household. This allows users to create custom mobile application for Android and Apple user, making it an efficient and user-friendly solution for managing and cataloging belonging. This visual programming environment simplifies the tracking and organization of belonging from groceries to important document and valuable. For design specification, there will be 6 main screens, which is first is sign up and sign in to purpose the secure personal data user before sign in enter the applications. Second, for choosing menu, to choose the suitable part that want to safeguard and calculate the item that we want after we purchase. And then the third and the fourth is the both will key in and the data which is search item during the purchasing, and then we will delete the item also. And then for the tax inventory, we can save the important document like the certificate, birth form, medical insurance and more. So the last is analysis. Analysis also the important for manage our money, can trace how spend the money for this month and so on.
Step analysis. Step analysis is a strategic management tools that help organizations understand and evaluate the external macro-environmental factors that can impact their operation. The acronym STEP stands for Social, Technological, Economic, Environmental and Political Factors. For social, online shopping with discount has sparked urgent purchase, urging users to carefully check their grocery inventory before making purchase. A single household member typically handles document and grocery arrangement, necessitating the need for other family members. For technology, rising global adoption of smartphones, tablet providing always-on access which allows continuous inventory management. For economic, surging food, energy and commodity prices globally, increasing household cost continues with drive demand for grocery saving and monitoring. Also tax incentive and oversight for home office and household expense. For environmental, inventory management creates awareness for prioritizing reductions in household food waste, packaging and water usage. Digitized inventories provide a paper-free solution for keeping inventory records, limiting paper usage and its climate impacts. For political, retrieving vital documents like birth certificate or land grants can be a complex time-consuming process, often involving administrative hurdles and legal procedures. NABC analysis. NABC analysis is a framework used in business and product development to evaluate and communicate the essential elements of a project or initiative. The acronym NABC stands for Need, Approach, Benefit and Competition. For need, household need an organized system to track groceries and documents. Managing inventories manually inefficient and prone to errors, lack of organization. For approach, mobile app for home inventory management, user-friendly interface for adding, editing, deleting items, and alert to expiring grocery item. For competition, traditional pen and paper method, generic note apps such as OneNote and Evernote. App focus just on grocery or document inventories like kitchen part and labeling. For benefit, to reduce potential household food waste and expenses, optimize grocery shopping and meal planning needs, to track quantity and types of book and document present. For bill of material, item name, MIT App Inventor, a platform to develop an app, quantity 1, so total cost is 0.006.
Screen is the MIT Apps Inventor, which is we have to use this application to do our home inventory system. So for the first page is login screen, which is we have to do sign up. This is the privacy part before we log into our home inventory system. So this is the part we have to put our username, password, and then we sign up. for the first time, and then we proceed to login. So for the second step, after we already sign up, we have to insert our username and password as page 1, and then we click login. After that, it will turn into main menu. So for this main menu, we choose documents, which is for the first time we have home, view data, menu. When we click the view data, it will show the list that we already saved in our MIT apps, and then it will straightly save into our sheet, which is we have item, type, location, renewable date, and year. For the first time we want to save, we have to click menu and then create, and then we can save our item, something like textbook or magazine or anything that you want to save. Okay, and then we can put type, it's mean like geography or fiction or non-fiction, it's something like that. And then the location where we put our textbook, and then it is easy for us to find. And now we click the groceries, and then we have 4 buttons, and then we have home, analysis, view data, and menu. When we click the view data, we can see all the items we already saved, and this item already saved to the Google Sheet. So this is the item I already saved as a demonstration. So this is the blocks for the groceries part, which is we can view data or hide data. Example, we have the bread, what type of bread, where I bought the bread, and when is the expiry date. So example, I search the item that I want to search. You can shortlist the item where you bought from the Pirate Raja. This is the best way for us to identify the shortlist of the item, which is we just search the list of the brand or the item or the location that we bought the item. So we can select the menu bar for read or delete. If you want to delete, we just select the item and then we just delete. From the menu bar, we can choose delete or read the item, or you want to update the item from the sheet. And then this is the example they already saved in the MIT apps. So we have the branding, the item, the location, the expiry date, the purchase of the date, and then the end of the date. So the quantity, how much I bought. Example, I bought the mosquito spray in that month. So from here, I can track how much the quantity that I bought in that month. I've shown here, we can checklist the price and the duration. Example, the meal. From when to when we can use the meal. So this is the best way for us to know how we want to manage our item or our groceries correctly. So from here, we know our expenses breakdown. Example, for each month, how many we use for the toiletries, for the groceries, and so on. And then we're already done. We just click back to our main menu. And now I will show you the tutorial for the text. And then when we click the text button, it will trigger to the screen 5, which is they have a folder. So in this block diagram, we have to insert the Google Drive where we want to keep our text picture that we already bought. So this is the example. So example for the text, for the books, computer, donation, and many more. So we have to put inside the correct folder. And now I will show you the analysis part. So when you click groceries, and then we can look the analysis button. And so this is the item that we can analyze, the market price or the quantity. So we can back to the menu, click the analysis, and then it will pop out the duration or the analysis. So from here we know the duration, the amount, and how much we bought the item in a month. So this is the best way for us to know and analyze the item in a month that we bought.